10 years ago, a bank stepped up, a microfinance bank to make a macro impact. Telenor Microfinance Bank. Today, as we embark on a new chapter, let's remind ourselves of where it all began.
Connecting customers to what matter most has been the core philosophy for Telenor Group for last 160 years. Since we entered into Pakistan back in 2005, we realized that more than 80% of Pakistanis are unbanked. They don't have access to traditional banking system. And that was the mission embarked by Telenor Bank. How can we build an ecosystem of cashless economy? How can we really uplift millions of Pakistanis who live below poverty line and change their lives by bringing them into financial and digital inclusion?
Telenor Microfinance Bank truly believes in making a positive impact in lives of the people of Pakistan. But the question remains how to empower people and help achieve their goals.
Telenor and Alipay has started a partnership very recently, and what we have seen is that this partnership where Telenor has got the local knowledge and Alipay has the technology, a lot of innovation is coming.
The future of developing countries is based on financial inclusion.
टेलीनॉर माइक्रो फाइनेंस बैंक में हमारी प्राइमरी जो ऑब्जेक्टिव है वो फाइनेंशियल इंक्लूजन है टू सर्विस ऑल दोज कस्टमर्स जिनकी एक्सेस टू द कमर्शियल बैंक्स इतनी ज़्यादा नहीं है या ओवर द लास्ट 70 ईयर्स उनका एक्सेस नहीं रहा टू द फाइनेंशियल सिस्टम ऑफ पाकिस्तान. सो हमारी अगर आप प्रोडक्ट लाइंस भी देखते हैं उसमें हम एग्री फाइनेंस करते हैं, हम लाइफ स्टॉक की प्रोडक्ट हमारी बहुत ही वन ऑफ आवर की प्रोडक्ट, इसके साथ हमारा स्मॉल एंटरप्रेन्योर कारोबार के नाम से हमारा प्रोडक्ट है, एंड देन सैलरीड एम्प्लॉइज़ जो हैं उनको हम टारगेट करते हैं. ये हमारी 4-5 मेन प्रोडक्ट्स हैं जिसकी प्राइमरीली हमारा जो ऑब्जेक्टिव है वो उन लोगों तक फाइनेंशियल एक्सेस का पहुंचना और पहुंचाना है जिनको कमर्शियल बैंक जो हैं वो उस तरह से एक्सेस नहीं प्रोवाइड करते.
To be able to empower the unbanked, a brand has to be known and well trusted.
In the world of financial services, brand trust, its position and the trust that it brings is probably the most important thing for the customers and for the organization. For us, challenge is even greater, and the importance of brand trust and brand identity is even greater because of financial inclusion as a key agenda for us. The customer that we're dealing with are customers that have never banked before. They have never been part of the formal financial system before. So for them, this identity is the confidence that it takes for them to walk into the shop and give their hard-earned money to us and trust us with it.
When we look into the numbers, our ambition of empowerment was nothing short of formidable.
Launching Telenor Microfinance Bank was not an easy task. It was quite challenging considering the space that we exist in. There's so many other banks which have been in the market for such a long time, and we're a small microfinance bank. However, we took that as an opportunity. We're a small bank, but we've created a big impact in the last 10 years. And that's the opportunity and that's the strength that we use to create a unique, specific positioning and identity for us.
We took up this challenge and our bank with a purpose decided to talk to them personally.
So this was not an easy task. It was a 6-month-long arduous process in which we theorized, we hypothesized, we discussed, we took criticism, but we were sure in the end that whatever product we come up with is something that we can truly be proud of, and it is indeed us doing justice to the brand Telenor Microfinance Bank. The positioning statement that we ended up crafting was not just a positioning, it was more of a promise by a small brand, Telenor Microfinance Bank, with big ambitions. Telenor Microfinance Bank believes Pakistan would be a better place if every unheeded Pakistani is able to contribute to the formal financial system.
Keeping the customers at the core of our communication will help us build customers' trust in our brand.
The success of this ambition lies in delivering this message to the customer. We as a brand are going to ensure that we talk about this brand promise to the customer with the right value propositions, the right products, in the right context and at the right channel, and focus on solving customer problems. With this confidence, for the first time, Telenor Microfinance Bank is going ahead with a 360-degree campaign where we will be visible across channels.
we accepted the challenge of breaking the banking norms and coming up with real stories.
For our launch film, we engaged with Neil Holland, an American director who, unlike commercial ad directors, was able to keep the realness of the film intact. We did not want a commercial ad film. We wanted to show the real, happy, hard-working Pakistanis.
Let's come together and unfold the new chapter of Telenor Microfinance Bank. Now, let's check out the TVC.
5,
4,
3, 1.
10 साल पहले टेलेनॉर माइक्रो फाइनेंस बैंक ने एक कदम उठाया, करोड़ों पाकिस्तानियों के लिए। एक कदम आपके दिल की आवाज को परवाज देने के लिए। एक कदम आपकी मेहनत की कमाई से आपकी जिंदगी बदलने के लिए। एक कदम आपको लाखों तरीकों से मजबूत और बाइख्तियार बनाने के लिए। ये कदम टेलेनॉर माइक्रो फाइनेंस बैंक ने करोड़ों पाकिस्तानियों को अच्छी बैंककारी देने के लिए उठाया। अब बारी है आपकी, तो रुको नहीं, चलो उठाओ पहला कदम। टेलेनॉर माइक्रो फाइनेंस बैंक, उठाओ पहला कदम।